Hello everyone, and today we are going to be reviewing some of my custom cars and two trucks. So the first one we're going to take a look at is 360. This one only has the name 360 because I couldn't find the right name for it. But it does have a pretty good looking face. Looks all good. Unfortunately, y'all can still see some of the glue tack. I could have done better on this model, but I needed a lot of glue tack to glue the face onto here. Up next is, I would gotta say this one's name is either Michael or Jordan. Either Michael or Jordan. So yeah, and basically, his face, he looks a bit nervous. Probably nervous about something. But he does actually pick up, like, smaller cars, like this one right here, but, yeah, you know, I did a great job on the face. Like, this is just my opinion. Y'all may have a totally different opinion. The face looks a little creepy, but, yeah, well, can't change that right now. Here's the underneath of it. I don't know if y'all can see that. I think my camera is going a bit weird. Now, if y'all could see that, this was made in 2011 by Mattel. If y'all could just see that. So, yeah. Next up, we have this oldie here. He looks pretty old, like, y'all may not see the face is good. Ignore that, that's just my dad. This one's basically an oldie. He looks new, but he's basically old. He just looks new because they basically did a redesign model on him. So, yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but this is from 1997. Maybe if I keep it like that, y'all may be able to see it better. It's right there, where I'm pointing to, 1997. So yeah. Anyways, over here, this one's a pretty cool looking dude. Oh, and this one's name, by the way, is actually Flaming Fire, I think. Even though he's an oldie, he still has a cool name. This one, I think I'm just might. Well, this one is from 2008, Mattel. Oh, sorry about that. Has a pretty cool looking face. Yeah. I don't know, I might name this one Christopher, Chris, or, Jock. Maybe. Don't know which. Oh, and by the way, if y'all can see that, that's glue tack. All of them have glue tack. It's hard to tell on this one. Hard to tell on this one. It's easy to identify the glue tack on this one. Same with this one, it's easy. And this one is definitely easy. Well, this one right here, I don't know what to name it. Who knows, maybe I'll name him Park Patrol? Maybe. I don't really know. The face, yeah, it's looking downwards. Yeah, this one's just, yeah, even though he doesn't look that like he's ready for action, believe me, he is ready for some action. A lot of it. Oh, the face on this one just fell off. That's the problem with these things. These faces just don't stick on as well. Okay, I'm gonna have to put my tablet down, so If it's dark, don't worry, that's just me putting my tablet down. Hopefully this will go by quick, boys and girls. Let's see, oh no. Yeah. Sorry about that. But yeah. This is actually going to be a gang of whatever. Unfortunately, it's probably going to take a while because the faces they're just held by glue tack. I know glue tack is strong, but still, it's not really that great. Now this is just my opinion on glue tack, because basically you could take stuff off, and I think my camera's going a little blurry. Yeah. And besides, I will actually be having my first ever short coming out soon, like a short. Well, my first favorite YouTuber is actually Sammy Clark, and he makes his SC shorts, and I'm going to kind of do the same thing as him, except with some different characters and all that. And in the first short, sorry. In the first short that I'm going to make, you will be seeing these guys. Yeah. And in the second oh, come on! Why do I keep saying SC shorts? Well, basically in the second short, these guys will be getting a video all to themselves, which is basically this video and another video that we're not going to go into. So yeah, very soon I will have a new short. Well, my first short. So yeah. Everyone, get to your places now! Oh, and I forgot to say, this one is actually the leader of the pack. Yeah. He'll go kind of fast and slow, just because he's an oldie, but he's also a race car, basically. So yeah. Oh, and I nearly forgot. Well, in a upcoming video, when I also use these guys, one of these guys is actually going to be in a car wreck. In fact, two of them are, which the two are going to be 360, and actually I made up my mind, this one's name will be Jock. 360 and Jock will basically collide, and yeah. Basically, Twilight Sparkle will be very mad at them. But not too mad, don't worry. Everyone, get to your places! Now! I love my job. There! Once we're not getting you into your places! What we want our places? You want to fight, young boy? No? Good! Thank you for lasting this long if y'all have. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. That's what Lil Kim video says, don't y'all forget it.